Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your emails with Mailchimp easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing your emails with Mailchimp, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you will see an option to create a new campaign.
Click on the Create Campaign button.
Select the email campaign type from the drop-down menu. Give your campaign a name that is easy to remember. Next, you will choose the recipients for your email.
Click on the Choose Audience drop-down and select the audience you want to target.
If necessary, segment your audience for more tailored messaging. After selecting your audience, click Next. Now, it's time to set up your email subject line. Enter a clear and compelling subject line that captures attention. You can also customize the from name and from email address if needed. Once you've filled in the details, click Next. Next, you will design your email using Mailchimp's templates. Choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Drag and drop different content blocks to arrange your email layout. Customize the content in each block to fit your message. Add images, text, and buttons as needed for a polished look. Make sure to preview your email using the preview option. After confirming everything looks good, click Next.
Now, you'll see the option to review your campaign settings.
Go through each section to ensure all details are correct. Once everything is in order, click the Send or Schedule button. If you choose to schedule, select the date and time for your email to be sent.
Finally, confirm your settings and click Schedule Campaign. Your email campaign is now set up and will be sent at the designated time.
To track its performance, return to the Campaigns tab after your email has been sent. Click on the campaign name to view detailed analytics.
Here, you can check metrics like open rates and click-through rates. This will help you understand how your audience is engaging with your emails.
Continue to refine your email strategies based on these insights.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.